Hello, good afternoon, everyone, and I welcome you all to Unacademy CSIR NET channel. And today I will be starting a new session on a new MCQ. So before I start the session, I would like to tell that you need to go to the Google Play Store, where you need to install the Unacademy Learning app, and then you need to select your goal. In the select your goal, you need to select CSIR UGC NET category. So once you select CSIR UGC NET category, you will be getting access to various courses from top educators that are free initially. So you can watch those courses and gain and get a gain in your knowledge. If you want to go for exclusive coverage of the course syllabus, you need to go for the plus subscription, and therefore you need to go for the CSIR UGC NET plus subscription, which will be available for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. Well, I would suggest you that you go for 12 months and 24 months of the subscription, because you will get entire year and a 2-year period in that case, and you will be in a better chance to interact with the educator, and you will be in a better chance to understand that what all things are important, and you will get enough time to understand yourself also in the course, that what are my strengths and what are my weaknesses. You will be getting access to live classes. In addition to that, you will be getting lecture notes in form of PDF, and you will be getting daily quizzes and mock tests. So there are many things which are included in the plus course. So plus course has several advantages. So you can use my referral code HY10. So you will be getting 10% off. This is how you confirm your payment details. So you proceed to the payment, and you can do the payment either by credit card or debit card, or by EMI, and these EMI are no cost EMI. You can do the payment also by the net banking method. So the entire course will be available for 10,395 instead of 11,550. So this is how we start. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Pooja. Good morning, everyone. It's good afternoon now. So good afternoon to everyone. So let's move to the session. So this is all about, and in addition to that, we will be holding classes on YouTube as well. So these classes will be the live classes, like the one which are going right now. So you can gain access to these classes and increase your learning. तो आज का सेशन हम लोग बिगिन करते हैं. So this is an MCQ series, and today this is the first question. क्वेश्चन को आप आराम से पढ़िए. Which one of the following statements on protein conformation is not true? तो इसमें पूछ रहा है कि which one of the following statements on protein conformation is not true? There is dihedral angles of side chains in amino acids and are depicted in the Ramachandran plot. Then there is infrared spectroscopy can be used to deduce hydrogen bonding in peptides. There is three-dimensional structure of protein that is composed of 100 amino acids and can be obtained by nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. And option 4 says globular proteins have alpha helical and beta sheet components. So there are 4 options. A, B, C, D are the options, and you need to select your correct option. What is your correct option? So you read the question carefully. सभी लोग क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पढ़िए और अपने अपने जो आंसर होंगे उसे कमेंट बॉक्स में टाइप करिए. आई एम गिविंग यू अ टाइम ऑफ 2 minutes to read the question. पूजा भोपते ने आंसर दिया है 1. ओके, वेरी गुड. तो लेट्स सी, और भी लोग जो भी प्रेजेंट हैं दे कैन ऑल्सो पोस्ट देयर आंसर्स. तो इसमें पूछ रहे हैं विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट ऑन प्रोटीन कन्फर्मेशन इज नॉट ट्रू. So dihedral angles of side chains in amino acids are depicted in the Ramachandran plot. So dihedral angles of the side chain in amino acids are depicted in the Ramachandran plot. This is the wrong option. Infrared spectroscopy can be used to deduce hydrogen bonding in peptides. Infrared spectroscopy can be used to deduce hydrogen bonding in peptides. So this is the correct option. Three-dimensional structure of protein composed of 100 amino acids can be obtained by nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. This is the correct option. Globular proteins have alpha helical and beta sheet components. So this is also a correct option. So option 1 is incorrect. So ऑप्शन 1 इज करेक्ट. एंड जिन जिन लोगों ने भी ऑप्शन 1 इनकरेक्ट कहा है जिनका ऑप्शन सही है, तो वेरी गुड पूजा, आपका आंसर सही है. लेट्स मूव टू द एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट. So this is the explanation part where option A was not true. The Ramachandran plot describes the stable phi and the psi angles formed by the main chain of the amino acid and not the side chain. Therefore, option A is incorrect. So, two-dimensional infrared spectroscopy exchanges hydrogen with deuterium, and that is an isotope of hydrogen, and consequently the dynamics of hydrogen bonding can be studied. The 3D or the native structure of protein can be determined by NMR, as it measures the distance between the nuclei of the atoms around it, which further is useful in determining the structure of the molecules. Hence, option C is correct. And globular proteins are the approximately sphere-shaped proteins which are also abundant in nature, and they have abundant alpha and beta folds in their structure. Therefore, option D is also incorrect. Also correct. Option D is also correct. So first option is the wrong option. So I'm giving you time of 2 minutes. You can go through the explanation. आपको मैं टाइम दे रहा हूँ 2 मिनट्स का. You can go to the explanation that why option A is correct, is not true. So in this question, option A or the first option is incorrect. Let's move to the next question. Next question कह रहा है कि which one of the following statements on nucleic acids is not true? Which one of the following statements on nucleic acid is not true? The conformation of ribose in DNA is alpha 2 prime deoxy D ribofuranose. Okay. Option 2 second कह रहा है कि the hydrolysis of RNA takes place under alkaline conditions unlike DNA, and the 2 prime hydroxyl in RNA acts as a nucleophile in an intermolecular displacement. Okay. सर CSIR नेट का रिजल्ट कब तक आ सकता है? सो पूजा अभी एग्ज़ाम हुआ है, so you can expect the results within 1 month, 1 month to 1.5 months, 1.5 months you can expect the results. So option 3 says DNA can occur in different three-dimensional form, and option 4 says in DNA deamination of cytosine to uracil can occur in a non-enzymatic manner. So this is the question. आप लोग क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पढ़िए and type your answer in the comment box. So you can all read this question properly. तो आप लोग इस क्वेश्चन को पढ़िए और करेक्ट आंसर को कमेंट बॉक्स में टाइप करिए. तो लेट्स गो टू द क्वेश्चन. पूजा भोपते ने बोला है ऑप्शन सेकंड. ओके, देखते हैं. तो इसमें पूछ रहा है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स ऑन न्यूक्लिक एसिड्स इज नॉट ट्रू. तो पहला स्टेटमेंट कह रहा है द कन्फर्मेशन ऑफ राइबोज इन डीएनए इज अल्फा 2 प्राइम डीऑक्सी डी राइबोफ्यूरेनोज. सो दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. This is absolutely wrong. It is not alpha 2 prime deoxy D ribofuranose. So option A is incorrect. Option B says hydrolysis of RNA takes place under alkaline condition unlike DNA. Okay, as the 2 prime hydroxyl in RNA acts as a nucleophile in an intramolecular displacement. So this is a correct option. DNA can occur in different three-dimensional form. DNA can occur in different three-dimensional forms, so this is also a correct option. So in DNA, deamination of cytosine to uracil can occur in a non-enzymatic manner. So this option is also correct. So option A is incorrect. Pooja, your answer is wrong. Option A is incorrect. Let's see the explanation. So option A is not correct. So the 2 prime hydroxyl region of RNA is deprotonated under alkaline condition, consequently attacking nearby phosphorus group. This cleaves the phosphodiester bond between two RNA molecules. Therefore option B is correct. There are different forms of 3D structure of DNA like aDNA, bDNA and zDNA. Therefore, option C is right. The deamination of cytosine to uracil in a DNA can indeed be enzymatic as well as non-enzymatic. Hence, option D is also correct. The conformation of ribose in DNA is 2' deoxy D-ribose and not alpha 2' deoxy D-ribofuranose. So therefore option A is incorrect. तो इसमें पूजा कंफ्यूज होने की कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं है बिकॉज इट इज़ योर सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट. तो ये बेटर होगा कि इफ़ यू कैन कंटिन्यू स्टडिंग, आप अपनी स्टडीज़ को कंटिन्यू रखिए और इसको और बेहतर करिए. एंड रिज़ल्ट को जब आना होगा तब रिज़ल्ट आ जाएगा. सो डोंट वेट फॉर द रिज़ल्ट बिकॉज यू विल लूज अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम इफ़ यू विल वेट फॉर द रिज़ल्ट को जिस दिन आना होगा रिज़ल्ट विल कम. And till then you can focus on question solving and studying. तो जितने भी ज़्यादा आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे, जितने भी ज़्यादा आप क्वेश्चंस को लगाएंगे, उतना ज़्यादा आपका कंसेप्ट क्लियर होगा. सो यू कैन फोकस ऑन दैट instead of waiting for the results. So that is my advice. So this is an explanation. आप इसको अच्छे से एक बार पढ़ लीजिए. तो आप लोग इसको ऑप्शन को अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए. So let's move to the next question. Which one of the following activities is not involved in the protein folding in endoplasmic reticulum? Which one of the following activities is not involved in protein folding in endoplasmic reticulum? तो इसमें से कौन सी एक्टिविटीज इज नॉट इन्वॉल्व इन प्रोटीन फोल्डिंग? तो ऑप्शन 1 says peptidyl propyl isomerase, option 2 says protein disulfide isomerase, option 3 says protein glycosylation, and option 4 says protein ubiquitination. So इसमें से what is not involved in protein folding, you need to select that option. So peptidyl propyl isomerase is involved, protein disulfide isomerase is also involved, protein protein glycosylation is also involved, and protein ubiquitination, this is not involved in protein folding in endoplasmic reticulum. Yes, option 4 is not involved. So let's move to the explanation. So option D is the correct option. जिन लोगों ने में option 4 या option D choose किया है, that is the correct answer. Pooja, your answer is correct. So chaperones are proteins that help the newly synthesized proteins to fold in their respective native three-dimensional structure in the endoplasmic reticulum. So chaperones are the protein. Peptidyl propyl isomerase is also a chaperone, where it helps in the cis-trans transformation of the peptide bond to accelerate the folding process. Hence option A is correct. Protein disulfide isomerase is also a chaperone that catalyzes the formation, arrangement, and isomerization of sulfide bond with the protein. Thus option B is also right. Protein glycosylation is a post-translational modification of the protein which helps in protein folding and provides thermal stability to the protein. Therefore, Hence option C is correct. The process of ubiquitination, also known as the kiss of death, is attaches ubiquitin molecules to the proteins, which signals for degradation. Thus, option D will not help in the protein folding. Instead, it signals for its destruction. So, option D is incorrect. तो जिन लोगों ने भी ऑप्शन 4 या ऑप्शन डी चूज किया है उनका आंसर सही है. So I'm giving you time of 2 minutes. You just read the questions. You read the explanation properly. So if you have any doubts, you can post in the comment box. अगर आपके कोई question है, so you can post it in the comment box. So let's move to the next question. Which one of the following statement is not correct? So together with proteins, rRNA provides a site for polypeptide synthesis. This is first option. This is second option, that all DNA molecules are unbranched polymers of nucleotides. Option 3 says DNA is synthesized in the 5' to 3' direction, while RNA synthesis occurs in 3' to 5' direction. Option 4 says a tRNA anticodon may pair with more than one codon. तो आप लोग क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पढ़िए and then you can type in the comment box that which of the following statement is not correct. Please read the question carefully. So let's see this option. To the first statement says that together with proteins, rRNA provides a site for polypeptide synthesis. Okay, so this option is the correct option. All DNA molecules are unbranched polymers of nucleotides. So this statement is also correct. DNA is synthesized in the 5' to 3' direction, while RNA synthesis occurs in 3' to 5' direction. Okay, this statement is wrong. A tRNA anticodon may pair with more than one codon. So this is also a correct option. तो आप लोग अपने अपने आंसर को टाइप करिए कमेंट बॉक्स में. That which according to you is not the correct answer. So in my opinion, option 3 is not correct. So let's move to the explanation. So option C is incorrect. So option C is the incorrect option. And ribosomes include the rRNA and the protein, and they are vital for translation process where new polypeptides are formed. Hence option A is correct. DNA is helical molecule formed by the unit of nucleotides. So no branches are created from these units. Therefore option B is true. Due to the wobbling base pairing at 3' codon on the mRNA, only first two nucleotides will be read. Only first two nucleotides will be read by the same tRNA, thereby making a tRNA anticodon to pair with more than one codon. Hence, option D is also correct. So, by the rule of elimination, option C is incorrect as the universal direction for synthesis of DNA and RNA is 5' to 3'. तो दिस इज एक्सप्लेनेशन. आप लोग अच्छे से एक्सप्लेनेशन को पढ़ लीजिए. I am giving you time of 2 minutes. Please read the explanation properly. So let's move to the next question. So let's move to the next question. So viruses adopt different strategies to suppress the immune response of the host. Which one of the following statement is not correct? So viruses, they adopt different strategies to suppress the immune system of the immune response of the host. So which one of the following statement is not correct? So option 1 says that human immunodeficiency virus, it destroys CD4 T cell. So this is the first option. Option second says Epstein-Barr virus produces homologue of human IL-10. Option 3 says human influenza virus directly infests CD8 T cells. And option 4 says human cytomegalovirus establishes latent infection in bone marrow stem cells. तो इसमें से आपको बताना है which one of the following statement is not correct. Which one of the following statement is not correct? तो ऑप्शन पहला कह रहा है कि ह्यूमन इम्यूनोडेफिशिएंसी वायरस डिस्ट्रॉयड CD4 T cells, so this is a correct option. Option B says Epstein-Barr virus produces homologue of IL-10, so this is also a correct option. Human influenza virus directly infects CD8 T cells, so this is a wrong option. Human cytomegalovirus establishes latent infection in bone marrow stem cells. So this is the correct option. So option C is incorrect. Option C is incorrect in my opinion. तो आप सभी लोग भी अपने अपने ऑप्शन को टाइप करें कमेंट बॉक्स में. क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पढ़िए एंड देन ट्राई टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. So option 3 is incorrect in my opinion, because human influenza virus is directly does not infect CD8 T cells. So let's see the explanation part. So option C is the correct answer. Option C or option 3 is the correct option. So upon using the replication machinery of the host for its multiplication, HIV ends up killing up CD4 T cells by swelling and bursting of the cells. Hence option A is correct. Epstein-Barr virus produces homolog of IL-10, which is known to escape the antiviral response of the host. Thus it maintains latency, hence option B is also accurate. The latency of cytomegalovirus is observed in the progenitor hematopoietic cells where there will be no viral replication. However, viral DNA can be tested by PCR derived from bone marrow stem cell. Hence option D is also correct. And human influenza virus directly infects natural killer cells. Human influenza virus directly infect natural killer cell, not CD8 T plus cells, not CD8 plus T cells. So making option C wrong. So I am giving you 2 minutes, so please read the answer. Let's move to the next question. So before we go towards this question, this one is the fourth option. This one is the fourth option. So which one of the following inactivates the serine threonine protein kinase mTOR related to cell growth in mammalian system? So which one of the following inactivates the serine threonine protein kinase mTOR related to cell growth in the mammalian system? So option 1 says rifamycin, option 2 says rapamycin, Option 3 says erythromycin, and option 4 says chloramphenicol. So which one of the following inactivates the serine threonine protein kinase mTOR related to cell growth in mammalian system? So option 1 rifamycin is incorrect. Option 2 rapamycin is correct option because it inactivates the serine threonine protein kinase mTOR related to cell growth in the mammalian system. Option 3 is erythromycin, which is an incorrect option. Option 4 is chloramphenicol, which is also an incorrect option. So in my opinion, option 2 is correct, and this is the one that inactivates the serine threonine protein kinase mTOR related to cell growth in mammalian system. So please post your answers in the comment box. Before we move to the explanation, please post your comments answer in the comment box. तो इसमें से पूछ रहा है कि कौन सा सिस्टम इनएक्टिवेट करता है सीरिन थ्रियोनिन प्रोटीन काइनेस एमटॉर को दैट इज रिलेटेड टू सेल ग्रोथ इन मैमेलियन सिस्टम. तो रापामाइसिन और ऑप्शन बी इज ऑप्शन 2 और ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. So in my opinion, option B and option 2 are the correct option. So option B is the correct answer. So remembering the mode of action of commonly used drug will be helpful. So rifamycin is an antibacterial drug where it selectively inhibits bacterial RNA polymerase during transcription. Therefore, it hinders bacterial growth. Hence, option A is incorrect. Erythromycin and chloramphenicol are also antibacterial drugs. They selectively inhibit bacterial growth by impeding the bacterial translation, selectively targeting the 50S RNA. Hence, option C and option D are incorrect. So, mTOR signaling is elevated in cancer cells. So, rapamycin, endorsed as an anti-cancer drug, targets this elevated mTOR pathway by inhibiting the protein kinase. Hence, option B is correct. Hence, option B is correct. So this is an explanation. I am giving you time of 2 minutes. You please read the explanation. So what are the commonly used drugs and what are this mode of action? You need to remember them. So for solving these kind of questions, so rapamycin is an anti-cancer drug and this targets the elevated mTOR pathway by inhibiting the protein kinase. Hence option B is correct. As mTOR signaling is elevated in the cancer cell. So rapamycin is endorsed as an anti-cancer drug, and this targets the elevated mTOR pathway by inhibiting the protein kinase. Hence, option B is correct. So option B or option 2 is the correct option in this case. So thank you everyone for this session, for today's session. I hope you would have liked the session. Please like, share and subscribe this channel as much as possible, and please share with them with all those people who are preparing for CSIR upcoming CSIR UGC NET examination. And this is my referral code, this is HY10, so you can use my referral code for getting 10% off on the next Unacademy subscription. So this is all for today's session. Keep solving MCQs and practice more and more questions. So if you have any doubts, any queries, you can post in the comment box. So So guys, thank you everyone once again, and I need to tell that 7 p.m. पे भी मेरी class होगी, so you need to attend those classes if you want, and it will be a class this evening. So we are hosting classes on YouTube. These are the free classes. आप इस classes को join कर सकते हैं, and you can get the benefit. And if you want to go for the plus subscription on Unacademy, then you need to go for the subscription. And you can always use my code HY10 for getting 10% off. So thank you guys.